everybody, welcome to Gigi's Honeybees. I'm here with Lakin, my granddaughter, and today we are going to work on painting our beehive boxes. We have some stencils that were made for us, and I'm hoping that we can get them all done today. And stay tuned, we'll show you what they look like when they're done. This one's good. You can ask questions. The first stencil that I have is of Winnie the Pooh with his honey pot. It's really, really cute. I'm going to put it on and transfer it to the hive box. And from there, we'll paint the outline.
What are you doing?
I'm transferring the stencil onto the box. This pushes it down to the box.
Oh.
And then when I get done, you'll be able to use the black paint to draw the outline. You might need your hands on this too, Lakin.
I can't even reach it.
Okay.
I think I'm just gonna get on the table.
No, don't get on the table, you'll fall off.
Gigi, it's a very tiny flower. Ah, the instructions.
We picked a very windy day to do this. May not be a good idea to be out here in the wind trying to do this.
Yeah. Can I just put this right here? Everything's just flowing.
This is a very, very tedious process because it peels up, the transfer peels up with the backing when I'm trying to stick it to the box.
So just focus and be patient.
Yes.
Patient makes perfect.
Yes, it does. I may just have to just peel it off and then re-stick the transfer on because this is not coming off like it should. So, Lakin, are you excited about when we get the bees?
And we're getting the bees in April, guys.
Yes.
Next month.
What do you look forward to the most?
Getting honey because Nana really wants honey.
Your Nana does?
Yeah.
Well, we'll let her have some, huh?
She wants to make honey toast.
Okay. And she'll definitely get the first jar, huh?
Yeah. Unless I do.
Yeah.
I love the honeycomb. Okay. But they see me.
Okay, I think I've just made a mess of this stencil because now everything, all the detail is just stuck. And it's not coming up at all like it should. So, I may have to...
I wish we worked.
I'm going to undo this because I have messed this stencil really up bad. And I think the wind is not a good idea out here. We'll come back to Winnie the Pooh. All right, so let's do...
Guys, stay tuned to do Winnie the Pooh. And don't rush her because she's very old.
I don't know about saying old over there, yeah.
You're a grandma, dude. Mommy's like 30-something.
All right, we're going to put some honeycomb on this one, I guess. Since we got it out, let's do the honeycomb.
Can I do it?
This one's going to go like right here. Hopefully this will be a little bit easier design to do out here in the wind. That other was not.
I think it was kind of big.
Well, it had too many detailed lines on it, and every time I pulled the backing up off the transfer, the stencil came with it. So that's not good.
Well, that one's good.
Yeah, this one did perfect. All right, so now. All right, Lakin, can you see the outline?
Uh-huh.
All right, what you're going to do is you're going to use these two colors here, which I'm going to add to. I picked up these acrylic paints. They're supposed to be multi-surface paints. And it's two different colors that I put together to make the color of the honey for the honeycomb.
Is that it?
Yeah, it's both of these.
One's like browner.
Yeah, and you don't use as much of this. You don't use as much of this one as you do this one. Okay. And what I did, I used this brush. Let me show you. You don't want to go past where you see this line at. You want to stay inside the stencil color and just paint it down like that, and don't go past this line here. Just paint like that. And you might have to do a couple.
So it's fine if I go right there.
Yeah, you can go.
I just can't.
You can't go where it's painted.
Yeah.
You can go on the stencil.
So after we're gonna take that off, and then it's gonna be like a honeycomb.
Yes. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing.
So I start right now?
You can start right now. So I'm going to let you paint that.
What color do I use? Both?
Start off with this color. And you want to get just, yeah. Well, get a little bit more than that. And kind of wipe the excess off. And then just start from the top and go down like that.
Okay.
And Lakin is very precise. That's why I chose her to help me with this project, because she likes to paint. And she's very artistic.
And my sister has marker all over her, so she can't come yet. We'll put her in the next video. Ah!
Here comes the wind.
Very naughty wind.
Okay.
This is like what light.
So while Lakin is doing that, I'm going to stop the video and we'll pick it back up again and show you the finished project.
So stay tuned, guys. Don't be grouchy about it.